how to turn off end-to-end encryption in your Zoom meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser, log into your Zoom account, then go to My Account on the left-hand side, click on Settings. Now you need to head over to the Meeting tab and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll need to scroll down until you find the end-to-end encryption option. So here you go. There is default encryption type, as you can see. So if we set to end-to-end encryption, you can change it to enhanced encryption and hit save. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then like and share the video. Thank you for watching.